Capstone Assignment 4. What is the threat? A combination of drought and huge amounts of pollution in China has led to critical water issues in Beijing. Farmers are forced to use contaminated water for their crops, and citizens drink contaminated water, leading to sickness and disease. Why is that place or region vulnerable? China is known to have lackluster environmental safety laws in place to protect their national resources, including their water. Huge population growth combined with industrialization has brought a terrible problem. What are the forecasts in terms of environmental change? Although efforts are being made to move water from southern China to the more populated northern parts of China, including Beijing, the rapid population is too much to keep up with, and more will need to be done. What are the forecasted impacts on communities? As mentioned before, sickness and diseases have spread and will continue to spread, with contaminated water being the only option in some cases for citizens to drink, as well as farmers using contaminated water on their crops. What are the solutions? Giant aqueducts are being built in China to transport water from southern China to northern parts of China. Educational programs have also been introduced for industrial users to be more well-informed of the impact of what they do. Beijing's airports have also cut down on their water usage and improved water treatment. New laws are also being explored to combat pollution.